welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Monie. If you're not, hey babes. Thanks for clicking this video and thanks for tuning in and stuff. Today is the phone was holding y'all up because I'm just too late to go get the tripod. Today is Wednesday, March 11th. So, anyways. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Ladies. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Just welcome to my channel because y'all sometimes be all over the place. But last night I sat down and I wrote things to do by myself, so solo. Oh, whoa! Thought that lamp my bro, like that. And I thought about stuff to do by myself, solo. So I wrote solo diaries, little things. Not mind this handwriting. I can't really write good in pen. So yeah, I wrote some of those down. Today, I only had one class, which it was 9 o'clock. I only had one class at 9 o'clock, and now it's 11:12. What I want to do is go out there with the pollen outside. Go outside with the pollen and just sit out there and read my book, which is over here. I didn't get finished too. / do some work. Just outside by myself. Spend time with myself. Don't cut my phone all the way off, but put it on do not disturb. I'm done with my text me or call me anyway. I don't know what I'm talking about. But I said I wanted to do that around 12:30. It's 11:13. I don't feel like I'm gonna do it at 12:30. I feel like I'm gonna start 1:32. But it just depends. My mood changes so fast, it just don't make no sense. But as you guys can see by the title, while I'm just yapping, as you guys can see by the title, that's what I'm doing. So that's why I have the solo diaries ideas. Don't mind it, that's math. That's why I have solo diaries ideas, things that I came up with last night or whatever. So yeah. I will keep up with you guys when I'm finna leave the room. Or if I don't leave the room around the time I just told y'all, then I'll still get back with you guys. But yeah, this will be probably a little short little video. I already ate, so I will not be eating this video. I ate the rest of my Chipotle from yesterday because I went door dashing and I had got Chipotle. Door dashing for so long last night. I only got 2 orders. I'll get back with you guys when I can, or when I do. This will be my first solo diaries, first episode of my solo diaries. A diary, so bear with me. I am learning as I go. Yeah, it's just something new, a new chapter in my life. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next clip. Okay guys, now time is 2:25. I told y'all a story. I don't know, this sinus has literally been draining me. All I'm gonna do is lay in the bed, get some sleep, but then when I try to go to sleep, I feel like I'm not getting sleep for real. I don't know what it is. Anyways, but I'm finally gonna go out. I think I know exactly where I want to go. Then again, I might be lying. It's somewhere, I don't know. back over there when I gotta walk over there by hall 3 and 4. But I really, my nose keeps stopping up. So sorry for blowing my nose. But I really think I just need to walk down these little steps that we got over here, and then like, yeah, do it like that way. I don't know, y'all. I'm just gonna see. I know we got a little how you call it, cabin. I don't want to say the word wrong, but I know we got like a little shelter thing where you can sit up on there and stuff like that. So I might do that. Cause you know, me and the son don't really get along. Look at my hair. My hair don't never want to act right. Especially in the back. Well, I didn't put no gel in, so why am I mad? Anyways, I opened up the blinds so it can like motivate me to get on up. I don't know, I just ain't been having no motivation. I guess I'll do some work too, so that's why I'm taking my laptop out here. And I'm gonna read the book. But I changed my shirt, as you guys can see, but I kept on the same tights or whatever. Yeah, that's just basically what I'm about to do. I charged both of my batteries, so that's one of the batteries is what y'all on now. The other one's over here charged up. So glad for that. I also, the camera may be looking a little different. It may not look as zoomed in because I put my, what's it called? I'm gonna say magnifying glass. Is it magnifying glass? No. I don't know, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all. Y'all see the difference? Y'all see that difference? And then with this, I put this on. So like, yeah. I don't know. I see a difference, but I don't see a difference. Okay, y'all see a difference now? I think it's a difference. It show more of my background. It's like bigger. It widening out. Why can't I think of this name? I don't know. Try to get the point. I just showed y'all. So yeah, that's what I put on here. Hopefully I like it. I never in my life, when I record, I never used it. So I don't know. It's my first time trying it out. And I done had this camera for like 2 years now. I swear ain't nothing wrong with this camera, y'all. Nothing. I love it down. It just the batteries go dead, but then again, the batteries go dead fast. But then again, when I be watching other people YouTube, they be like, the battery dead again. I gotta get this other battery. I'm like, dude, my battery go dead. But they be having expensive cameras, like $1,000 cameras, and they battery still go dead. I love me and my, I think it was $106 cameras at the time, but they had it on TikTok shop. Me and my $100 camera, yeah, we gotta get a real bad. Anyways, I'm gonna start yapping and talk your head up. I'm going to hit these edges real quick, real fast, and then yeah, I'm just gonna walk out. But also forgot it was fried chicken Wednesday, but then I'm okay. I ain't gonna die. Okay, guys, so I'm looking at my nose started to jump, walking down the steps. I sometimes get on the elevator, but sometimes I don't. I don't know. How on the camera is weird. If I had a tripod, nah, the camera would have been weirder. Excuse me, y'all. But I don't know. This little camera lens, that's what it's called. Camera lens. Make the camera a little bit heavier now. I already don't know how to hold it, right? Anyway. Period. Oh, and it's 242. That is cute. That's cute. Y'all, it's 242 and I got 242 subscribers. Fresh to death when I walk. Pop out. That's vibe. Hold on. Gotta take a screenshot of my subscribers. Yeah, of course. I guess you. Hold on, guys. I get back with you guys. Campus is really nice, guys. I just have to figure out where I want to go. Let's go up down a little here. I was talking to you too. My subscribers. You know, I think we're gonna walk this way. Yeah. Okay, guys, so I'm sitting here. I just don't know about this tree, though, y'all. Look at it. So, yeah. Anyways, we're going to set up right here. Hopefully, there's nothing here. That looked just like pollen. My back going to be burnt right here. Don't want to go there. I'll just sit over here. Perfect. Found the perfect spot. Be right back. Okay, guys, so I am sitting down now. Here's my computer. Oh, this is the book I was talking about. I'm pretty sure I done showed y'all about this book 3-4 times already. Y'all holding down some tissue that I had to wipe the seat. Anyways, so yeah. Let me take my little picture. If I see too many bugs, I'm not gonna be. If I see too many bugs, I'm not gonna be out here long. That's cute. I'm just gonna do this, what's this word called? Okay, I'm just gonna do this. Yeah, no. It's for, it's not for word history, it's for something else. American literature work. I have to take, well, it's extra credit, but I have to take like 7 or 8 quizzes if I want extra credit. And who am I not to take all these quizzes to have extra credit? I'm gonna take every single last quiz. Why I keep thinking something is behind me every time the tree blow or something. And y'all walk right past my car. Right past me. And I should have got a water bottle. Cause I ran out of water bottles in the room. Yeah, I ran out of water bottles in the room, and uh, the breeze feels so good, but I can't stay here too long because I get sick. Then I start, hearing noises. I forgot to put the mic on. I feel like in the cafeteria around there, they're having like music and people doing stuff, sororities and stuff like that. I don't want to go to that right now. I don't want to go see that. I just want to figure out my side and be by myself. So yeah, I'm gonna get started on what I was trying to get started on. Hopefully I can hear me because of the wind. I'm gonna get started on what I was finna get started on. So yeah, I'll get back with you guys. I don't know. Just want to do my work, I guess. I thought it was a bee. Okay, guys, I just hit y'all with the mic, honestly. Anyways, guys, I only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I only have 5 more tests to take. I don't know if y'all can see. I don't have class for her tomorrow, so I will do her work tomorrow. Rest of her work tomorrow. Plus, no, that's just one teacher. My second class tomorrow got canceled on the way we're walking here. So that's canceled, so there's both American Lit in the morning and then world history during like 12:30 afternoon type stuff. Anyways, yeah, so those two are canceled. I will do her work in the morning and I do his work like during the day or whatever. Because he's sending us some work too, because he was like virtual class, because they got honors something tomorrow. I'm talking about something. They got honors program thing tomorrow. So he was like, no point of us coming to class if some of us are not gonna be in class, and like we had a test to take too. I don't know, but I think God has a really, really been by my side with not with these tests. I mean, I feel like I would have did well on it, but it's like out of nowhere. Like he was like, "We might have a test Thursday," but that was out of nowhere. Mm. Don't have math class Friday, so I'll do math class work Friday or start to this evening. I don't know. I have to decide. This girl looking at me like I talk to myself. No, I'm talking to my supporters. Stop looking at me, please. Anyways, now I'm finna read my book. Um, soon as I get back into the room, everything is needing to be wiped down with wipes, cleaning wipes, everything before it touch my book bag and everything else. Because of this problem, I should have brought wipes out here, but I was like, no, I don't need my purse. I don't need my purse. I need to, I'm not gonna need my purse. I'll be back in the room by the time I actually need the purse. No, I ain't got a hand sanitizer. I feel nasty on my hand. Computer feel like it's nasty up on the bottom. I don't know, y'all. Pollen is just, that's what it made me feel like. But I'm gonna put this computer away and then start reading my book. Also, I switched sides because the sun was kind of burning my leg. So that's that. It's going good. I'm gonna read my book now. I'm gonna read this now. My book now. Over there. My book now. Mm-hmm. Oh, it's giving me bad grades because they got constructive response. Huh? Mm-hmm. I know some. Oh yeah, we have a little charger port on our thing, on this little canopy thing. Yeah, I didn't turn it all the way around. I thought I had it on that thing. The camera had turned around on here, and your phone charges. So right now, my phone is charging. My boyfriend is on the phone because he don't like when I go places by myself, go be by myself. He want to make sure I'm good. So this is me showing him I'm good, but he needs to be able to charge it. He wants to keep knowing I'm good. So I am on chapter 25. I believe I'm gonna read till, what time is it now? I think I'm gonna read to 4:50. No, I'm gonna read to 5 o'clock. Yeah, I'm gonna read to 5 o'clock because that's when he get out. And then like it would be pointless of me to read to 3:40. No matter what, do what the rest of the minutes in 5 o'clock. So yeah, 3:45. Y'all heard the music? It's a fraternity doing something, I think. The spider! The spider! last to 5 o'clock, I would read my book to 5 o'clock. I don't know. Especially after that spider. So, let's see how this goes. Why does it like my brother? No, never mind. That's probably not him. I don't know. Anyways, let's read this book. Now I'm finna be paranoid and be looking around. First I was here, now I was looking around, I was paranoid, but I got over it. But now, I don't know, y'all. I just feel it. Is it recording? Being shy. It's so crazy. What they having a school day? Why these folks come here today? Oh, was that not recording? When I sat y'all over there? Let me go see. Rewind the clips. They coming over here. Look, guys, they're coming over here. Anyway, yeah, so I'm just gonna continue to read. I'm shy now. Camera put away. Okay, guys, well, it's currently 4:34. I packed up at 4:30 because, I don't know, I'm not feeling no more. The light is not lighting right now. Anyways, yeah, I'm walking back to the dorm now. I think I'm gonna come back over here. I'm gonna go pick some, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Oh, look at the squirrel. Look at the squirrel. The squirrel. It's just in there. Okay, I'm gonna leave the squirrel alone because I don't have no idea what it's looking at. Oh Lord, let's make sure the squirrel don't try to get me. Anyways, yeah, like I was saying, I'm walking back to the room. I might I know I'm gonna come back out for dinner. Yeah. think I'm gonna wash. I'm gonna take a shower when I get back in the room. I'm gonna take a shower when I get back in the room. I get this pollen off of me, and then I'm gonna wait like a little bit, and then come back to the cafe with my tray. Yeah, sounds like a great idea to me. Who knows though? I just realized that last clip was in slow mo, but I didn't wash my hands and tell y'all what I was doing. But I am wiping out the stuff now, and from like the pollen and stuff, and then I'm gonna take a shower and wait a little bit, then go to the cafe to get some meat. So that's all I'm doing. Y'all didn't miss nothing major. Okay, like literally listen to me. I think I'm just a girl. I know I'm just a girl, but like I'm having a problem. I'm not having a problem. So these are my body washes that I'm picking. These 3 right here. I got my original one right here. These 3 right here, I don't know which one. So I'm just gonna let my boyfriend pick. But then again, I don't. You know how you want to pick something, but you don't want him to pick the wrong one. But then again, I can't do that because I still don't know. Then I was going for the aesthetic stuff, but I don't care. I don't care. So let's move those aside. So those 3. I love this, by the way. This does not break me out. Surprisingly, glad, happy. I've been had that before. Okay, so with these, you see how I got the body sprays. These 2 body sprays, they different. But then you see how I got the body spray and the lotion. Body spray, lotion, and body cream. So like, yeah. Then you got the, why do that? That's the same one. Why do I have hold on. Cause I just been buying stuff. They smell the same. I think this is the old version. It's probably the new version. But yeah, I think that's the old version. I do need to throw some of these body creams away, because some of them are old, but I still love them and want to use them. Okay, and then I have 1,000 wishes. I love this down. I have those 3 with the lotions now. And I have these 2 body sprays without lotions. I did not get the lotion for these 2. I didn't want to. So, okay, yeah, like I was saying. First, my boyfriend called, then my mom called. Child. Anyways, I don't know, but the more and more I sat here and I looked at it, I don't think I want this one. So I'm gonna put this one back. I like this, but it's like when I go for like out on cute little dates and stuff like that. Yeah, this is my perfumes, lotions, more perfumes or body sprays, or body mist, perfume. Oh, that's for my hair wash stuff. But yeah, that's my basket. Anyway, so yeah, I just don't know which one to do. Like, should I keep the matching body creams, or should I do this and just put this on? Because this is the lotion I'm doing. It's so great, y'all. And I'm mad that I don't have no more of the body wash left. I gotta order me some. But this is the lotion I'm doing instead of doing what's the other one I be doing? This one. You know, I go in with this one and go in with the scented one. But I'm not using none of my EOS because I always use them. I keep using them back and forth. And I got other lotions. So yeah, I'm just gonna let my boyfriend, pick which one. This is the lotion of tonight. I love this brand, like literally, y'all, literally. He picked this one. He don't know nothing about those better, but he picked this one. Put that in the basket. He picked champagne toast, guys. Yeah. So, I'm gonna go take my bath, shower, now I'm gonna wait. Then I'm going to get something to eat. So you guys, whenever I see you guys, I do have to wash my tray though. But anyways, yeah. Okay, I'm out the shower. I'm gonna tell y'all that real quick. I'm out the shower. Just gonna edit this here vlog, and then I'm gonna wait till like 7:30 to go. But I do have to wash that plate. Yeah. See y'all when I see you guys. Just want to let you guys know that. Hi guys. I'm not even gonna cap to you. I came back in the room. I ate. I put on my pajamas, and I been in the bed editing this whole time. It ain't been that long. Let me stop acting like it's been a long time, but it ain't been that long. But still, like, I forgot to do an outro. But I did go to the cafe, get me a sandwich, and I got me some fries and pink lemonade in my cup. And I came in here and ate it, and now I'm in the bed editing. So yeah, I just wanted to do a proper outro, a proper goodbye. I'll see you later. So thanks for watching this video, my first ever solo diary or solo video at that. Like, I think I did okay for the solo little video. I don't know. Sorry, I'm on the phone. Y'all hear the echo. I don't know if it's supposed to be as long or does it supposed to be short. I don't know. Tell me what you guys like, and I'll like try to give it to you guys, shorter or longer. I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. It's my first time I see people have short videos. I see people have long videos, but then I see the regular videos be long as their solo video. I don't know, y'all. I swear I don't know. I'm a little more to it, but it's my first video, so please tell me how I did. Just let me know things, if you don't mind. Yeah. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for clicking the video, first of all. And I really appreciate you. I talk too bad. Please slow down. I really appreciate you guys, and make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Always subscribe and like and comment. I'm very nice. But I see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.